Holiday berry yogurt bark. Let's make it. You're gonna need about half a cup of diced strawberries. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of Greek yogurt, vanilla or plain, your choice. Next, you're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And then you're gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Let's add our pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are high in proteins, fats, and minerals. And due to their antioxidants, they might be helpful at lowering disease risk and inflammation. That was a 1/4 cup of pumpkin seeds that we added to the Greek yogurt. And speaking of Greek yogurt, it is a strained yogurt, which gives it a thicker consistency, which leads to higher protein and a lower sugar content. Once it's mixed well, pour it onto your parchment-lined baking sheet and spread it out to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Top with your freshly diced strawberries. Last, I'm just gonna top with a little extra pumpkin seeds just because it looks pretty. All right, after your bark has sat in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours, all that's left is to break the bark.